on the truck.
Yeah.
I fill it with sand, and when we need the sand, it pushes into the wheel, and it puts that sand on the ground in front of the wheels. As you see, it's very slippery. So when you go around here, it maybe will skid straight ahead. Just release the throttle a little bit, and then it's steer.
Okay.
You don't need to use the clutch. The total weight of the truck and trailer is 58 ton.
58?
58 ton.
But it's only legal only in Norway and Sweden?
Yes.
Other parts in Europe, yeah, I couldn't do this?
No. In Norway and Sweden it's legal until 60 ton.
Okay.
And the truck is 560 horsepower.
Most powerful of the Super Series?
Yes.
The inline 6?
Yes.
Okay.
And make a wide turn.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can start going around.
Utmed hit, tonna! Now?
Yes, yes. And just keep the truck rolling. Never stop.
Okay, okay, okay. Like the off-road?
Yes, and if it starts spinning, just release the throttle a little bit, and then it will gain grip again.
Where is the sand?
No, you don't need it.
Okay.
Release the throttle a little bit. Yeah. Push carefully. No,
okay.
Just push carefully. Okay. Push carefully. Yeah.
Okay.
And slowly, more and more.
Is it stressful for you?
No. Because I know I can just change place with you and take the truck by the.
Okay. More gas or less?
No, it's okay. Just keep the speed.
Okay. It's 12.
No, it's your choice which way you go.
Oh.
But keep
my choice is the right.
Yeah. Then you hold a little bit to the left, and now you go to the right.
Okay. Jesus.
And keep it to the right. And let it have some speed. More speed.
Yeah. You are basically a test pilot for the Scania, or you regularly drive?
And keep to the left.
Left, yeah.
No, I'm back office at the workshop in Haugesund. So I've been working in Scania for almost 30 years.
30 years.
And here we take it really easy. Okay. And this turn is no problem, but the next turn you keep left.
Should I use a brake?
Yeah, you brake.
Yeah, okay.
The truck has a retarder, but in this slow speed, the retarder does not work, and it could be dangerous because it only works on the driven axles. And with the heavy, and with the heavy trailer, it could push the rear end of the truck around. I'm not afraid.
Okay.
It's no problem.
Where do you live?
I live in Haugesund. It's on the west coast of Norway. Easy.
Easy, yeah, okay.
You see the orange light is flashing, then the truck is spinning, and then you release the pedal a little bit.
Okay.
And then it's okay. That's the 24 meters.
My right leg is already tired.
No, you can tell me, I can tell by the sanding boxes on the truck.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it easy and keep it running. No, don't use it. No.
The windshield wiper?
It's the retarder. The windshield wiper is automatic, so I think it's okay. Have a truck running is to have an egg under the accelerator pedal and just have slow, easy movements.
I think I got the principle.
Yeah.
Which gear are we in now? It's fifth?
Yeah.
Fifth A?
Fifth. A is for automatic and fifth. And
now it's six.
Yeah.
6 gear with 57 tons.
Yeah. And we can stop next to the shed again, and I can see if he delivered the bucket, so I can refill.
I hope I didn't kill anybody.
No. To the right, please. No bucket. I have to call him. Yeah, you can go to a stop here. It's okay.
I felt like in this 50s movie with Yves Montand, you know, the price of the fear or
courage et de la peur.
One of them was the Scania NXT, the concept vehicle that we launched in 2019. It is a bus, it is a distribution truck, and it's a garbage collector all in one. So it's fully electric, fully autonomous, built in carbon fiber, and it's prepared to being shared by 3 different customers. So it can actually be a bus in the morning, distribution truck during the day, a bus afternoon, and a garbage collector during the evening and the night.
And
all in
you've
one.
been part of the process?
Yeah, I was one of the initiators of that project together with our CEO Henrik Henriksson.
And now it's commercially available?
Sorry not. This was the early prototype that we did to illustrate what the future might look like in 2030. For the next generation of trucks we will have battery cells from Northvolt in Sweden, which we are a shareholder of. We are part owner of that company. But the battery packs and the modules will be assembled in our own battery factory in Södertälje.
Brakes is
Handbrake?
Yeah, handbrake. You have the handbrake there. So push the brake and push that in.
And
then it's off.
Bil 22 kör ut.
You have to drive a long way forward because the trailer.
Yeah, I see it. How many tons are we now?
You see that in the display there?
Yeah.
I think we are like 20 tons.
Where is
23, the down button, the all the way down. 23.
Wow. And our range is 145 kilometers.
Yeah.
So let's go for the facts. You can read it from the paper. The battery capacity.
We have 300 kilowatts batteries.
300 kilowatt hours. That's about 4 Tesla 9.
Yeah, something like that. So it's on 9 battery packs. So we have 8 battery packs on the sides, or on each side, and 1 under here.
The tempo is okay, or can I drive faster or slow?
Not more than 15, I think.
More than
I think
15.
that will
It's
be
12. It's 12 now.
Yeah.
13. Oh.
Because it's so narrow, the turns up here. So, and we have that trailer that's going inside in the turns. So
what's the load capacity?
We can weigh up to 50 tons.
So it's empty now.
Yeah.
The load. Yeah.
We don't have any. You have to go out left. This is the future. I think so.
But a distant future, or
no?
How distant?
No, I think this will
10
be
10 years or
no. It's beginning to be a future in Norway now. We're selling a lot of these cars now, and
what
do
you mean a lot?
We have a firm
Hundreds or
hundreds, more than hundreds. We have some big companies that are buying electric cars now.
Left or right?
You can take left.
Okay.
So I have some big companies that are it's their seatbelts. That's the case just now. I think we are 19.5 meters now.
19.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's normal for semi-trucks in Norway.
We have no imminent introduction of something new right now. Then we gather, why don't we gather all what we have in production and invite journalists from all over Europe to experience our current range in this fantastic setting with all the snow and the mountains and all that. And I know that media love this because everything is so different from the normal way of testing trucks. And we have more than 25 trucks available, all kinds of. remember one year there was a truck that went into the ditch at very low speed. And yesterday we had a truck that maybe drove a little bit too slow going uphill, so it lost traction. And then the others had to stop behind, and they had to put on these chains on the drive axle. But I mean, minor incidents like that. 4 BEV trucks here, for instance, and that is something special with body builds. And we also have this prototype BEV truck that is not even in production. It's a certain perk that we offer it for media right now. It's a prototype.
And what do you do on a daily basis?
What
you
I
drive
do?
trucks?
No, I don't drive trucks. I'm a mechanic. I know the price of that one. That is around 4.5 million.
4.5 million euros?
No, Norwegian kroner.
Norwegian,
Yeah.
okay.
Now it's pretty expensive yet, but the price is going to go down, I think, in the future. But now that is so new, and the battery packs cost so much. So I think if you get that car in electric and a normal diesel, maybe 1.5 million kroners more for the electric one. This generation 3 electric cars have a lot of capacity, so long range driving it's no problem, long haulage, so that's no problem.
What do you mean long?
Long haulage, long haulage in Norway, like Oslo, Trondheim.
This is 500 kilometers
Yeah, it's a distance.
across mountains.
Yeah. And
But
that's
you
like
cannot
a
do this
8-hour
with that.
drive.
But you cannot do this with...
With the 3rd generation you can, that's no problem. And you have 45 minutes to fully
Third generation. When will come the 3rd generation?
we come with it now, so it's all new.
But where is it?
We have one 3rd generation. I don't know which car that is, but I think we have one here.
500 kilometer range
I don't
across the
remember.
mountains with 40 tons.
And then you have 45 minutes to fully recharge.
And what car do you drive at home?
At normal,
Yeah,
Chevrolet Duramax, like a Chevrolet pickup
yeah.
with 6.6 Duramax engine.
It's a 8-cylinder diesel, or?
Yeah,
Oh.
8-cylinder diesel with 450 horsepower, like 1,000 newtons.
Actually, you don't need it.
No,
You only like
it's only fun.
I'm with you.
I would say it's on many people's minds. It's in media. In reality, we still, of course, sell mostly combustion engine trucks, gas or diesel or HVO, what have you. But I mean, it's obvious where we are headed, what is coming, and we have our very sharp targets. So we do believe that by 2030, half of what we are selling will be electrified.